everything is changing. This 5-5 portal is a portal of change. Everything is new. New you, new gift, new power, new talents and abilities, new timeline. Please, I would like to know in the comment section, what are you experiencing as a divine change right now? Nothing is going to be like it was before. The energies are extremely fast. This change is inevitable. Right before, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. Right before starting this video, I got 3 cards, and I'm going to, one on the timer. It's big, it's massive. I got ritual, I got gifts, and I got shadow work. I don't know what you're doing right now, but again, it's massive miracle frequency. You're a god, you're a goddess, you're God, the Most High, experiencing a human form, right? Therefore, you have your free will always, and you can deliberately, I'm hearing, create, co-create anything that you want at any time, accordingly to the highest and best good of this universe. There is something you're doing at this time. Whether you refuse it, you're refusing something that you were supposed to go through. There is a special condition. There is a special condition that you were supposed to go through. And it puts you in a situation. It's literally shadow work. It's a very uncomfortable position. And underneath we have illumination. But this shadow work, again, it's literally the phoenix that is rising. But this time, again, it's changed. It's different. It's not the usual phoenix that is rising from the ashes. It's you refusing a certain condition. You're done with something, and maybe it's completely connected to karma. Maybe you had to go through a certain condition. I keep hearing condition. You had to go through a specific environment or something you were supposed to go through that was connected to your karmic debt, but you're refusing to go through it because you're done. It's as if you had a vision of what could be a lifetime, like a line, a possibility, a universe, a parallel universe. You just saw a line from God offering a certain path for you, and you were just like, no, I'm not going to do it, because you got the breakthrough. You've been through hell already, and therefore it's like an electroshock. You don't want a certain thing, and then you're going to put the work because you don't want to go back there. I know it will make sense for you if you found this video. And this is actually a blessing. It's a massive gift, because you are rearranging, you are redirecting your path. You're literally manipulating, becoming the magician of your own life. I got, whole self and imagination. My goodness, hero journey. You are literally this magician at this time. There is an ability of you that is emerging out of the chaos, again, out of the darkness. You see how I stumble on my way? It's like, it's very quick, it's very rapid. And obviously, what do I have here is be ready to receive. I think I need to help you in this quest. You're emerging out of the chaos. You know exactly who you are. Atarak ma azra imkutu ru'nu ka nadadadadadeki nata udu uno obo na re katana na yatse kanono no wadiri ina na kutete kuma adada na akikata kuna ari auto no yo eri yo koto ne me yoro no watseri yo no kotoru kuma adaya na tse It's all rearranging the future for you. Rumayetse niyozo Rio no kaya tai mo so tono yo no as ene I sara na kai sini yo kai ka ata no tere I You are beyond blessed. You are beyond blessed. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I'm operating like past revision, offering masterclasses, codes, downloads, and activation for you. You can contact me. I'll put my email in the description box below. Also, check your spam, because I often answer to you, maybe you're not receiving. Twin flame. There is strength. I have gift talent brings abundance. I cannot make this up. You're becoming your best version, and your gifts are mesmerizing. Someone is literally healing their throat, and I have double mission, twin flame, emperor, empress. Someone is literally opening their throat for the sake of this divine union. It's just beautiful. I love you so much, and until next time.